Okay, guys, look what just came in the mail. Okay, so I ordered a passport-sized traveler's notebook in the veg tan leather from Moterm. As you guys can already tell from the title of the video, I wanted to see how it would compare to the Traveler's Company, because as we all know, they released the olive edition into like their standard lineup and has been sold out since the release. So I got the Moterm in their nicer leather, the veg tan in the khaki color, just because I couldn't get my hands on the Traveler's Company one, and I'm in Canada, so who knows when that's gonna come to Canada. Anyway, so let's unbox it together. It just came in the mail. I'm really excited. If you don't care about the unboxing, you can jump to this timestamp right here where we can just start talking about it and you can see my reaction and whatever once we've opened it. But here's a little ASMR moment for you. Okay, moment of truth. Oh, hey, nice. So it comes with a green colored extra band. I'm thinking this is the extra band. We'll see. I can't imagine it doesn't come with a band already tied. It also comes with an extra folder, which is kind of nice. It's a PVC folder. Looks like this. It has the credit card kind of style holder on this side and a zipper on that side. Oh, and a couple credit cards on the back. That's nice. Very nice. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh. Wow, okay. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's coming off a little bit darker on screen, I think. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I have got the veg tan before in the week size and the personal, but obviously this is my very first traveler's notebook style, especially like just this one piece of leather. And I gotta say, I'm quite impressed. Like, it feels really nice. I think almost nicer than the Traveler's Notebook, in my opinion. Oh my gosh. Wow. I really like it. Okay, so I really like that. It's like, it's hard to explain. It feels like a heavy, good quality leather. It's smooth, but it has a bit of texture. I don't know if you can tell. It's hard to get it to show up on screen properly. Maybe I should let in more light. Oh, there, can you see? It has that nice texture. Oh my gosh. I like this more than my Traveler's Notebook. Okay, so I'll do a comparison, but let me just show you what it comes with. So it comes with 3 inserts, one lined, one grid, and one plain. I don't think it's anything special. They are just stapled inserts, so not the best, but oh wow. Okay, so how? Okay, so you get a couple jump bands, I think, because there's one, and then these 2 are together by a jump band. Oh my gosh, so you even get like a couple extra jump bands. So see, these 2 are connected with a jump band that came with it. And then it obviously has the band there, and then the tie band here. And this is like to protect the edges if you want it. And then, of course, it came with the extra one here. So that's a lot of pretty good extras. Oh my gosh, I really, really love this. Wow, I don't know, I'm really loving this. Okay, so let me put this back, and then I'm gonna do a comparison with my Traveler's Notebook one. And then it comes with this paper. I don't know what this is supposed to be for. I don't know if it's like blotting paper or what it is, but it's just a random paper that it came with. Wow. I actually really love the feel of this one, I have to say. And that's what it looks like. I don't love the look of this thing, so I'd probably actually remove it. I prefer it like this. I prefer that look than this thing attached to it. But I know some people do like that. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. Wow, this leather is just so beautiful. And I'm really happy with this khaki color. Now I might want to get the khaki in like a different planner. Okay, so let me compare this to my latest Traveler's Company passport size. So for those of you guys who may or may not have seen this setup, this is the blue Traveler's Company notebook in the passport size. And yeah, if I feel the two, this one's definitely got like a smoother texture to it-ish. I know, like, obviously this Traveler's Company one comes in, like, depending on the type of leather you get, some of them can be more suede feeling, some of them are more smooth, and this one is definitely the smooth one. And even though this is the smooth one, this one is definitely smoother. It must have some sort of like finish to it or something. But I like how this one has the natural textures in them. It's kind of hard to, there you go. See those natural textures that you get? Which is so beautiful. And I know a lot of you guys would appreciate that. Whereas this one, the Traveler's Company one, doesn't really have that. For those of you who are like better versed in leathers, maybe let us know down below if you know why that might be. But okay. So now I obviously can't compare for you how this looks compared to like the Traveler's Company in the olive because I don't have it. But let me compare for you the sizing. So they each kind of have a few inserts in them, and you can kind of tell that the Moterm one is definitely larger. Sorry, the lighting here is like killing me. Oh, that's way too bright. So I guess I gotta keep that closed. Okay, so yeah, you can tell already the top one is the Traveler's Company, and it's definitely gonna be smaller than your Moterm one at the bottom. But the width of it, I should, let me take out all the inserts and we can just compare the leathers, and I think that'll give you a better look. But if you want to compare these little things on the outside, this little threader thing is definitely smaller than the Moterm one. And it's also this like bronzy color versus the Moterm one, which is like a goldish brassy color. I think I actually prefer maybe the Moterm one. And then just if we compare the outside first, in terms of the string, I feel like the Moterm one might be a bit thicker. I don't know if you guys can tell here. Can you tell? I think it's a little bit thicker. And the Traveler's Notebook one, the string is definitely like more elasticy, like I can pull it easier, whereas this one is, the Moterm is a bit tighter, okay? So now I'm just gonna take everything out of these. Can't remember if I mentioned that I have a setup video of this Traveler's Notebook. If you wanna see it, I'll link it up here. And okay, so let me take everything out and let's compare the actual, just the leather itself. Okay, so everything is out of both of them. And okay, yeah, so you can see, here, let's do a comparison first. Oh, wow, okay, so height-wise, it's actually the exact same. Can you see? Height-wise, it's the exact same. But lengthwise, you can see how much the Moterm comes out on the edge. It's about 1 centimeter almost. I mean, if you go on the Moterm website, they're really good about like showing you all the measurements of each of their planners. So you could definitely just compare them. But visually, this is what it looks like. So this is great for those of you guys who kind of like a chunkier notebook, a Traveler's Notebook that's a bit chunkier. The Moterm will definitely be able to better hide that overhang than the Traveler's Company one. The thing that I also like about this is that I know people and other people have felt it too, where the Travelers Company, some of their leathers can be a bit dry. And I talked about how I was using Reno-Per to like smooth it out and stuff. But I feel like with the Moterm leather that they use, like this will never be dry. Like this is just so beautiful. I don't know if it's just me, but I really, really am impressed. And with the Moterm one, there's no engravings or anything on the back. Whereas, of course, the Traveler's Notebook has their engraving. In terms of floppiness, I think this is definitely floppier. I'll try to show you. That's what that's like. And then with the Traveler's Company, it's much stiffer. Like, it's a lot stiffer. So if you like something that's floppier, you might like this. If you like it a bit more structured, then you might not like this, okay? So that's kind of the look between the two. And the other thing is the Traveler's Notebook, like the spine here is just like, it's just folded. You see like the curvature, it's just folded. Whereas the Moterm, like it's obviously not a reinforced spine, but something about the leather, just like it's hard to actually press that down if you can tell. Whereas this one, like, you can squeeze it down. I don't know what that means to anybody, but just pointing out the differences. And then, again, if I put them together, the height is actually the exact same. And, yeah, so the Moterm one comes out quite a bit. Okay. So, yeah, I guess that's that. And to me, I really love the Moterm one. I actually really, really love the Moterm one, I gotta say. I think if I were to, like, choose again, like, just, you know, on my own, I would pick the Moterm over the Travelers Company. And I know some people, though, you know, there's something intangible about the Travelers Company brand and, you know, these little notebooks. They just want to go with the Travelers Company brand. And you sometimes just can't explain why. But objectively, I like the Moterm better, I think. And then let me just compare for you price-wise. I'm in Canada, but let me compare for you price-wise what these would be in USD. Okay. Wow, I didn't know the price differences, but now it's interesting. This one is $45 USD on Jet Pen, so the Travelers Company notebooks, and I'm pretty sure the olive is just the same price as the normal because they're all just part of the same lineup now. So that's $45 US, and then this was $25.99 US before shipping. With shipping to Canada, it was $30 US. So it's about $15 plus or minus, you know, the taxes on this, probably a bit more. So maybe $20 difference in USD between the two, which is quite a lot. That's like this, pretty much this half price almost, right? I don't know what the shipping would be like from AliExpress to the US. This is definitely a lot cheaper than the Travelers Company one, and I like it better. Moterm just kills it. They really just nail it. Now, I don't know what happened here. I feel like I got a mark on it or something already. Anyway, so that's the comparison for you guys. Hopefully that helps you. Yeah, because I know there's a restock coming in on the Travelers Company. I think I just saw they were restocking the olive and trying to get it out to more people, but I'm sure it's still hard to get these. So I really highly recommend that you guys try Moterm if you guys are in the market and looking for a Passport TN, especially in this kind of olivey color. Again, this is the khaki, and I think it's probably pretty close to the Travelers Company olive color. All right, so that's all I have today. It's been a while since I did like a Moterm unboxing and review kind of thing, so it's kind of exciting to do one. Yeah, so if you guys are in the market, that's the comparison of the two. If you guys want to see any other TN videos, I will link the playlist right here, and you can check out my previous setups and all of that jazz. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!